In this video, we will show you how to change button color on Squarespace website. Your button color on Squarespace website is based on your theme. But if you want to change the button color individually, you can edit the block. How to do that? First, after you log in into your Squarespace website, you can just double click. For example, we will change this button color, and after that, after this section is activated, you can go to site styles. You can click this, and in here you can click the color. After you click the color, there is every block activate with some description. You can see there, this is bring by the theme on your website. For example, in this section, we are using AA Light 1. It's this. And if you scroll down, there is using also AA Darkest 1 in here. Okay. And AA Light 1 again in here. So, because our button is using AA Light 1, we can change this button by clicking this AA Light 1 and click this. Then in here, you can scroll down and choose the button. You can select primary button background and click the palette, and you can change your button here. And that's all to change your button color. You can also customize for secondary button and secondary button text or another you want. For example, let's change to blue in here. After you are done, you can click this and save. And we can back again to our website and close. Now our button color is look like this. That's all tutorial how to change button color on Squarespace website. Hope this video helpful for you.